Imagine you are standing on the edge of a skyscraper in New York City. You aren't wearing a parachute. You aren't attached to a harness. Instead, you slide on a pair of sleek, high-definition goggles, and suddenly, you are no longer a spectator of the world. You are a bird. But not just any bird. You have the ability to see in every single direction simultaneously. This isn't science fiction. This is the rumored reality of the DJI Avata 360. For years, drone pilots have been forced to choose between two worlds. On one side, you have FPV, first-person view, which gives you the adrenaline, the speed, and the raw power of manual flight. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. On the other side, you have 360-degree cinematography, which captures everything around the drone but lacks that aggressive, immersive, cockpit feeling. But what if DJI decided to stop making you choose? What if they merged these two universes into a single, pocket-sized beast that could redefine how we document our lives? Today, we are diving deep into the shadows of DJI's secret labs. We are piecing together the leaked patents, the whispers from the testing grounds in Shenzhen, and the supply chain rumors that suggest the DJI Avata 360 isn't just a minor upgrade, it is a total reboot of the FPV industry. If you think the current Avata 2 is impressive, you need to prepare yourself. Because what's coming next might just make every other drone on your shelf obsolete overnight. Let's talk about the hardware because this is where things get truly wild. The core of the Avata 360 rumor revolves around a dual-hemisphere lens system integrated into a Cinewhoop frame. Traditionally, 360 cameras are fragile. They have lenses sticking out like bug eyes, ready to shatter at the slightest impact. But DJI is reportedly working on a recessed, protected lens housing within the duct prop guards of the Avata. This would allow you to fly through gaps, bounce off walls, and execute high-speed maneuvers, all while capturing a full 360-degree sphere of 8K video. Imagine the invisible drone effect, but with the speed and durability of an FPV racer. But why 360? To the average person, it sounds like a gimmick. But to a creator, it is freedom. It means you never have to worry about framing the shot. You just fly. You focus on the flight path, the speed, and the safety. Later, in the edit, you decide where the camera looks. You can track yourself, track a car, or look straight up at the sky, all from a single flight. The Avata 360 is rumored to use a neural tracking chip that uses AI to identify subjects in the 360 sphere and automatically frame them in a standard 16:9 or 9:16 format for social media. This is the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it filmmaking tool. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the weight and the battery. 360 cameras require massive processing power to stitch two high-resolution video feeds together in real time. This usually generates immense heat and drains batteries in minutes. However, insiders suggest DJI is debuting a new S3 processing architecture specifically for the Avata 360. This chip is rumored to be 40% more efficient, allowing for a 20-minute flight time, unheard of for a 360 FPV drone. But the real magic happens in the goggles. We are hearing reports of the DJI Goggles 4, featuring a peripheral awareness mode. Imagine flying in FPV, seeing exactly what's in front of you, but with a transparent